In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot Outlook add-in issues. If an Outlook add-in has disappeared from your toolbar, won't load, or seems to have stopped working, the quickest fix is often to confirm that it's still enabled. I'll guide you through where to find that setting and what to look for, so you can get your add-in back up and running with minimal fuss. Start by opening Outlook and heading to the Settings menu. Look for the small gear icon in the upper corner of the Outlook window. It's easy to miss, especially if your window isn't maximized. So take a moment to expand the window if you don't see it right away. Click the gear to open the Settings panel. This panel is where Outlook groups most of the preferences that control how your mailbox behaves, including the tools and extensions you've added. Next, you'll want to go to Manage Add-ins. In the Settings panel, look for Manage Add-ins and select it. Depending on your layout, you may see it directly in the panel, or you might need to scroll. If you don't spot it at first glance, try using the search bar within Settings and type Add-ins to jump straight there. This section lists the add-ins available for your account.